Is there someone who tried Korean food?
This is what I call
Korea, was it a game changer?
Yeah, so actually, let me reveal the truth.
Right.
Side is made of. Guys, welcome.
Welcome!
Hi.
Welcome. So, before we start, before I share a very nice food with you, can you please quickly introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Titia. My nationality is German. What?
German potatoes?
German potato. But not as potato like as Maike. Sorry.
Hey, my name is Marcus. I'm German as well, and I have
I think you know your
many
nickname.
nicknames, but
What,
on the day.
what is it?
For example, Olga for some days. or sometimes Mustafa. If I don't shave, Mustafa.
Hi, I'm Dominic. I'm also a German potato, and my nickname is Baumando here.
Yeah, it's similar. It's quite similar to Korean dumpling name.
Yeah.
Mandu.
Hi, I'm Chiara. I think I'm the only not German. I'm Austrian, so not a potato, maybe a schnitzel. And my nickname, I don't have a nickname from you, but some people say Chi.
Chi?
Yeah.
Chi chi.
Good
That's
to know.
cute.
Yeah.
Chi chi chi.
Hi, I'm Tobias, I'm German as well, and you call me sometimes Tobino.
It's basically a female name. Is there someone who tried Korean food?
Yes.
Oh. And is there anyone who knows a little bit what is a typical food?
Kimchi.
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 Pork belly.
Pork belly, yeah. 삼겹살. And you?
I have no idea.
What did you try then?
There was some Korean food on the street food market, but I have no idea what it was. Took it out.
I cooked something really typical Korean. This is called 전. I will tell you what it is later. Usually we eat this in the rainy season. So when it rains, all the Korean people will like to say, oh, I want to have this.
This is what I call
Korea, rice. Was it?
전, it's called 전 in Korean.
Good. Very nice.
Yeah.
It's nice and chewy.
Mm-hmm.
Little spicy.
It is a little spicy, but
Yeah.
not as bad as I thought.
Can you smile a little bit?
No, it's really good actually.
Can you smile a little bit to Korean people who might be horrified by
Not really good. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it too. So I like the
Yeah.
consistency. Yeah, it's a little spicy, good spice, and yeah, really nice.
Yeah?
It's a little bit like Kartoffelpuffer.
Yeah.
That's like
What is Kartoffelpuffer?
it's basically the same. Only German and no, it's
Shredded potato.
Shredded potatoes. Yes.
Can you guess what's inside?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Zucchini.
Zucchini, egg,
It's visible.
Kimchi
egg.
Onion.
and some kind of dough.
Dough, some, of course. Olga. Yeah, so actually, let me reveal the truth
Right.
about this food. Inside is made of the brain of monkey.
Nice. That's even better.
No, actually it's not really completely Korean. I was supposed to make really Korean food, but I didn't have ingredients. Once you live as a foreigner in foreign country, then it's not always easy to find your home ingredients. So today I made a sauerkraut kimchi.
Oh,
Yeah, it's actually fully made of sauerkraut. Yeah.
Nice.
that's next level.
Yeah, don't you taste it?
No, you don't taste it that much actually.
Kind of fusion cooking.
Is it?
Yeah.
No,
But it's
I didn't
only
expect it to be
sauerkraut.
so.
Yeah, only sauerkraut and onion and zucchini, what you see.
No potato.
No potatoes.
Potato.
But how do you
I
make
was
it
100% sure it was
stick
potato.
together?
So I make a dough. There is a Korean mix, what you can also find in Asian market, or you can just use normal wheat. You can mix with water in a right
And egg?
proportion. Yeah, if you use the wheat, you have to put egg.
Yeah.
She's an expert. Ta-da! Wait. Focus. Made a focus. Oh, because of your face?
Of course,
All of you.
Oh, now
Olga's face.
now it's working. So this is actually what I received from 푸트컬쳐랩. Kimchi시즈닝 mix. You can see
It's
here.
the best.
You can smell it. It's yeah, it's an innovative product made at 푸트컬쳐랩, and it actually won the prize in 2019 in Food Expo. Because it's vegan, gluten free, and it's genetically modified products are all included. No. It has no ingredients.
Have some more? Okay.
Yeah, try it. So what I did is mix this with sauerkraut and two garlic. So 2 pieces of garlic, squeezed garlic. That's it. And I put a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit, and then mix with mixer.
Smells already like bell peppers.
Yeah. It has a little bit of kimchi. Oh, you're gonna die.
Yeah, that's a really smart idea.
Yeah, let's do it.
let's do that.
And? That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. I can take more, I think.
Whoa.
Test it.
Why don't you test
I want to get a
I
spiciness
tested it.
shot.
Yeah.
All for the camera.
I think it will work.
Oh, okay, that's insane.
That's insane, you think?
Yeah, look at that.
But it was not spicy. You approve?
Yeah. You guys look so cute.
So let's see.
No?
No?
Teacher.
What?
No, it's okay. Next time you have to
Sorry.
bring that.
I mean, you guys are so weird. Last time I tried with a really spicy almond and it didn't work. And I thought that this time, unless you're gonna cry, it doesn't work. And the thing is just my stereotype about German having no spicy food.
But I love spicy.
Here, I think Tobias is a good
Yeah,
candidate.
Tobias is a good point.
Just gonna die all day long if I eat this.
Did Mike try it?
Speak a little bit louder.
Okay.
Oh, it's so spicy.
So hard.
For your health wise, it's good. Kimchi is quite famous for having really healthy and increase your immune system. And it's made of like 100 different kind of vegetables.
100.
Yeah, just
Oh, this.
yeah.
I think you need more.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
More.
I think more.
A very nice colleagues. Oh, definitely I will film it. And hey, is Kartoffelsalat really traditional food in Germany?
Yes.
Like everywhere or by
Yeah, there are different kinds.
Also in Austria.
There
Also
is?
in Austria.
Like this
And
one.
like this one, what we have, and in other parts you make it with mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. That's also
But that's too heavy. I think.
yeah.
Yeah, that's really heavy.
And sometimes you use pickled onions.
Pickled onions.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here are normal
Normal onions.
cucumber.
Cucumber.
Oh yeah, pickled cucumber. Sorry.
In Austria, you also put a little bit of sugar to make it sweet,
Yeah.
and you mix it with Vogelsalat,
What?
bird
Vogel?
salad.
What's
Salad.
What's this?
Never heard of it.
Salad.
Ah, you call it Vogelsalat?
I don't know what bird salad is. We
What
call
is
it
it?
Vogelsalat.
Yeah.
Vogelsalat.
What? Vogelsalat.
It's good that I live in the border region.
Understand what I'm talking
can
about.
translate.
Translate.
Potato salad with kimchi. Do you think it fits?
It was really good.
I'm quite happy that you guys are quite open and adventurous.
What?
What do you think about
You
Germans?
cooking?
Do you think we're not open and unadventurous?
Actually, that was my first perception when I first came to Germany because nobody would smile at me. And I thought, that, oh, it's so weird. Maybe it's only the city. It's nice.
I really like you.
I really like him.
And can you buy this in Germany as well, or only in Korea?
I think it's for European market because in Korea we can have it for kimchi. I think they're selling.
Yeah, it's in English as well. So.
Is there any food which could go well with this powder in Germany?
I think a lot.
Yeah. Ost.
Any food.
Schweinebraten.
What about currywurst?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
That would
that
be
would be really
That
good.
would work.
Maybe I should make a business, you know?
What about
Kimchi
Käsespatzen?
currywurst.
Oh yeah, Käsespatzen.
I think that could work.
If you like it spicy.
Yeah.
We should actually film them in because her face is so funny. It's like I expected more.
Yeah. Today's experience. One word. Let's see.
One word.
Let's choose
Oh, I can
one
start
keyword.
nice.
Yeah.
Delicious.
I would call it nice.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Game changer.
Oh! This is how you get hired.
Okay.
More pressure. Okay.
Okay, you did everything.
Like
50% of
Love.
So interesting.
Interesting. Yeah,
That's
that's like
not good.
Yeah. So maybe I changed my word. I changed it to.
Oh, pressure is on now.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Okay, so it's not interesting.
It's very
It's
interesting.
super tasty.
what? I look at his face.
Do you want to laugh?
That's 2 words. Super tasty.
Do one more or
I
no?
make a bit
food adventure.
Oh, food adventure. 1, 2, 3.
감사합니다.
안녕. 안녕. Ah, you can also do it. 구독. 좋아요. 이렇게. 좋아요. Yeah, it means subscribe and click like it. Cool, thanks.